Hey guys, if you're planning to use a 7-segment display in your project, don't forget to use this chip or module. It supports up to 6 displays with just 2 pins, 2 resistors, and a capacitor. Plus, you can adjust the contrast, send text easily, and forget about scanning or writing extra software. Now, we're going to install the package from my GitHub on CubeMX. This is a repository for this package. Please don't forget to give it a star and support me. You can install all my packages from this link. Just copy this address and paste it into CubeMX. After that, press the refresh button to add the package into CubeMX. Then select it and install it. After selecting your microcontroller, choose 2 pins and set them as outputs. You can rename them to make it easier to understand the role of each pin. Don't forget to change the pin mode to open drain and set the default level to high. To add the TM1637 library, open the Middleware tab and select it. After enabling, there are 2 options in the library: selecting loop delay to create the clock signal and enabling the alphabet. I left everything as default and generated the project. As you can see, all the necessary files have been added to the project. After including the library, I declare an object. If you have more than 1 chip or module, you can declare multiple objects, 1 for each chip. Here, we need to select the pins and GPIOs for initialization. Before calling any function, we should call the init function, and after that, set the brightness. This is because after power up, the display is in off mode. Now we can display any digit or text in string format on the display. This is my board, and we can see the digit on the display. Now, I want to show you how to change the value on the display. Here we go. We can see the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I want to set the printf function so we can generate any format, just like with printf. This is useful for displaying variables on the screen. If you find this library useful, please support me on social media. Thanks for watching.